Okay, let's test this monitor. Turning it on now. You can see the blue LED in the lower right corner. Waiting to see if it lights up. Still waiting. Nothing yet. I think this shows how it's failing. Didn't turn on. Now you can hear the popping sound. Popping sound stopped. Start again. And I think that's enough. I don't want to burn it out, whatever that arcing sound is. So I'm turning it off. And I'm going to keep the camera rolling while I show that there's no video cable connected. Just the power cable's connected. Just the power cable. Okay, that's enough.